Hi freaks! Let's see what Jaime is gonna have me wear today. Still a underwear swimsuit look. Well, I guess it's board shorts. Um, this is again one that I'm tempted to skip, but I kept it because I still think it's about the color scheme. And unfortunately, it's gonna be challenging to even recreate the original look because I don't have those black shoes anymore. I do have a similar pair that will work, but I don't have those shorts or that bra anymore, or really anything remotely similar. So I'm gonna try my best because I just really like these colors together and I think it's gonna be fun. Okay, this is the best I could do. It's really not even close at all. These golden mustard shorts are not nearly the yellow and white board shorts, and whatever this item is that I don't know why I own is so the wrong color. It's just straight up hot pink. It makes me want to vomit with the red. And that bra was like a really unique color of pinkish purple. I don't even know if I would classify it as a pink or a purple. So I probably don't have anything in my wardrobe that's even that color. But there's still something about this, even this bastardized version, that I just appreciate because I love colors. So I think I need to first forget trying to copy the exact ensemble and just try to get the colors as close as I can. I first traded out the red beanie for this red baseball cap and then incorporated the sort of denim look from the blue shoes into these jeggings and kept the black shoe. I actually like the white sandal better because it sort of nods to the white waistband on the original shorts, and then got rid of those totally incorrect golden shorts and am using this yellow top instead. It's kind of sheer. Actually, it's like two layers of sheer. So it's the right color, but then I just put it over the hot pink, which if it was one layer might look still pink, but then since it's two layers, it sort of looks like this weird orange color. And plus there's like seams and like the texture of the fabric is just really bulky and doesn't look good at all. So I probably need to wear something different under this if I keep this top. But as far as that pinkish purple shade, everything I own is either too pink or too purple, and I feel like what really worked about the outfit is how that color and the red interacted. So the only thing I could find was these earrings that also have red on them, and then this perfect little pink in the middle. So I probably don't need the hat anymore if I use these. But now the whole outfit kind of doesn't make sense. And also, as much as these are the most respectable jeggings you can find, as I went over in a different episode, I still don't really want to wear leggings as pants. So I'm going to try to fix this. All right, we've got matching shoes now. We've got a smooth base underneath this sheer top. And I don't know why I picked jeggings when I could have picked literally any denim item, but I guess it's because the shoes are not really denim and the jeggings are also not really denim, so they seemed like the right thing to pick, but this is much better, I think. And then for the final accessory, I'm just adding these red heart sunglasses because I just felt like it wasn't enough red compared to the original vision. So I mean, I probably could have come up with this myself, but thanks anyway, Jaime, because it was fun playing, and I really was too limited in my options of what I could do without having the correct pink purple color. So I think it's still fun. Where would I wear this? I would wear this to a birthday party if I were 6. I don't know. It's fun. I'm gonna go outside and wear it. Would you wear this? Where would you wear this? Who do you think won this look, regular me or high me? Are you high right now? And thanks for watching.